guys, day 4 of the 30-day push-up challenge. I'll tell you how I'm feeling right now. It's sore. It's pretty sore, and we're gonna try it out. Let's see how we're gonna do it. It's gonna be slow, but we'll just have to give it a shot and keep going. No pain, no gain, right guys? Here we go. Okay. Một, mấy nào kéo. I'm feeling it. It's on fire. My chest is on fire. 20. Give it some oxygen. And push 10 more. 22 work. It's always the breaking point. 8 more. You see, every day getting a little tougher and tougher, a little longer and longer to get 30. 25. It'll be the toughest 5. Yesterday was toughest 3. This is the toughest 5. Go. I feel like I'm sprinting today. That last one, it's gonna be tough. Here you go. 30. Tank top's gonna rip, or I'm gonna rip. Day 4 completed, guys. I'll see you day 5 tomorrow. See ya. Out.